Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how to revert to a previous version. For example, you had a previous version in your PC or a previous data of your website, and you've done some changement to this version, and you regret it and you really wanted to go back to the old version of your website. So how you can actually do it? Well, first of all, I'm going to talk to you about, for those who are watching this video and not having a website in WordPress already, make sure to watch my recent video about how to create websites in 2 minutes. It will not even take 2 minutes, guys, of your time, and you will have a website of WordPress already in your own. And for those who doesn't have this page open, please open it and go to your dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin, just like that, and it will be opening this page. So there's actually multiple ways to do that. For example, let's say if it was a post, if you did something bad to a post, you can just go to edit or make it like that. If, for example, you did something like that bad, you can just click on here and go back to the previous version, something like that. So if we deleted this and I felt like I did something wrong, I click on here and here it is. It went back to where it was. Okay, for example, let's say that you have deleted a page by accident and you really regret it and you wanted to get it back. You can just go to your trash and click on restore. It's pretty simple, guys. It will not take a lot of time. It's pretty simple. Don't panic if you deleted a page from your WordPress account anymore, because it's pretty simple. You can get it back in a couple of seconds. Of course, if you have a data in your PC and you want to have it in your WordPress, so for example an old data and you want to have it back in your WordPress, you can click on tools, export or import, I mean. From here you can do whatever you feel like. You can download your own data by making your own data or exporting the data that you have on these websites at the moment. So yeah, guys, that was how you can actually revert to a previous version in WordPress. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.